If you have a website, a blog, or even traffic from social media, you are literally sitting on money right now and you don't even know it. Today, I'm going to show you how you can turn your traffic into consistent income using a platform called Monetag. And trust me, this one works worldwide. Nigeria, Kenya, Ghana, US, and even India. Wherever your traffic is coming from, you have nothing to worry about. And before you say, another scam again, relax. I'll walk you through step by step from registration to dashboard to how you can actually get paid. Stick with me right now because by the end of this video, you will be ready to monetize your traffic like a pro. So what exactly is Monetag? In simple terms, Monetag is a traffic monetization platform. That means if you have people clicking on your website, reading your blog, or even scrolling through your social media pages, Monetag helps you turn that traffic into money. The sweet part is that it works with any type of traffic from any country. No matter if your visitors are from Lagos, London, or Los Angeles, there's money waiting for you. And you don't even need to be some tech guru. You just need traffic. Monetag does the rest. Now I know you might be confused like how possible is this? Well, the fact is as far as you have a social media account where you can post your link, you have nothing to worry about. And if you have a website, there are different kind of ads banner that you can embed on your website, and as far as people are clicking on it, you are definitely going to get paid. And speaking of ads banner, let me quickly break down the ad format you can use with Monetag. This is where the real money comes in. Pop unders. These are ads that open under the main browser window. They are sneaky but effective. Push notification. Small clickable notifications that reach users even after they leave your site. In-page push. Similar to push notifications but they show directly on your website. Interstitials. These are full screen ads that show between content. Banners. This is the classic ads you already know. What about direct link, also known as smart link? This one is special. You don't even need a website for it. Just share the link and earn when people click. Even if it's just your WhatsApp status. As far as people click the link, you get paid for it. So basically, Monetag gives you multiple streams of money flowing from one source of traffic. All you have to do is to choose your own flavor. Now let's get practical. I will show you how to register on Monetag. Step 1, head over to monetag.com and click sign up. Fill your details, email, password, and basic info. Please remember your password should be uppercase, lowercase, number, and special character. And here is a very important warning. Make sure you use your real details. If you fake it, you won't be able to withdraw your money later. And trust me, you don't want to be that guy that will be crying on Twitter and will be shouting, they scam me, when the real problem was you because you signed up with a fake detail. So avoid that. Once you are done, click register, confirm your email, and just like that, you are inside. Now let's explore the Monetag dashboard right now. This is where all the magic happens. On the statistics tab, here is where you will see everything. Your CPM, your earnings, your impressions, breakdown by countries, format, and site. Basically, your money diary. So you see everything, where your money is coming from and where your money is going. Now let's talk about the site tab. This is where you add your website for monetization. Just drop the URL, set it up, and you are good to go. What about the direct link, also known as smart link? This is my favorite feature. You get this immediately after registration. No website needed. Just copy the link, share it anywhere, be it social media, blogs, or forums. You can even share it on forums like Nairaland or medium.com. And just like that, you start earning. What about their referral program? Monetag even gives you a chance to earn 5% commission from every friend or creator you invite. So if your friend joins and start making money, you are making money too. Now the sweetest part is that Monetag supports multiple withdrawal options. You can access this on the top right of the dashboard. Choose your method, whether it's Payoneer, Web Money, Crypto, or others. Just make sure you fill it correctly so your money lands safely. So in summary, Monetag works with traffic from any country. You can monetize websites and social traffic. They have multiple ad formats to fit your style. You get paid through flexible withdrawal methods. Honestly, if you've been looking for a legit way to monetize your traffic, this is a no-brainer. So what are you waiting for? Head over to monetag.com, sign up with your real details and start turning your traffic into cool cash today. And if you want me to do a live test with my own traffic and show you real results, let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more money making breakdowns, and share with someone who has a blog, YouTube channel or website. Trust me, they will thank you later. Whatever you do, never stop making money.